Family unity, more than just being together. Hello everyone. Today we're exploring the phrase, family unity. It's a term we often hear, but what does it truly mean? Stay with us as we delve into the heart of families and uncover the significance of unity. Firstly, let's define family. A family is more than just a group of people related by blood or marriage. It's a network of support, love, and mutual respect. It's where we learn our first lessons in life and where we find comfort and acceptance. Now, let's break down unity. Unity is the state of being united or joined as a whole. In the context of family, it's the bond that holds the family together through thick and thin. It's the commitment to support each other's dreams and to face challenges together. Family unity is crucial because it provides a foundation of stability and security. It fosters an environment where each member can grow and flourish. When a family is united, it can withstand the pressures of the outside world and maintain a sense of peace within. Achieving unity isn't always easy, but it's always worth the effort. Here are some ways to foster family unity. Communicate openly and listen to each other. Spend quality time together, whether it's during meals or special family days. Show appreciation and gratitude for each other. Work together towards common goals and support each other's individual aspirations. Learn to forgive and move beyond conflicts. It's important to recognize that families can face challenges that strain unity, such as financial stress, misunderstandings, or external influences. Addressing these issues with compassion and understanding is key to maintaining unity. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of family unity and its importance in our lives. Remember, a united family is a strong family. Keep nurturing those bonds, and you'll build a legacy of love that lasts generations. Thank you for watching, and we wish you and your family happiness and togetherness always.